Welcome at Pizza and More. This time we make a pizza with a bit of a special cheese. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and we make this time the pizza Provola e Pepe. Provola is the little version of Provolone. And this is a cheese from Italy, which is very similar to mozzarella fior di latte. Provola is available in various versions. One version is the naturale, so the natural version of the cheese, and this is a very similar version like mozzarella or even fior di latte. And the other one is smoked, and if this cheese is smoked, it is smoked over wood and over straw, and then it's called affumicata provolone. One of the main difference from mozzarella to provola is the ripening time. So as mozzarella or even fior di latte is eaten very, very young, the ripening time for provola or provolone is from 15 days towards 12 months. The provola belongs, like the mozzarella as well, to the cheese variants pasta filata. As the provola is a bit rare in our supermarkets, you also could use scamorza. Of course, we will use on this pizza the provola instead of mozzarella fior di latte, but this is, as the name also says, it's not the only ingredient or the only topping on this pizza. We have, beside the tomato sauce, the provola, we have some fresh grated black pepper, we have some basil, olive oil and Parmesan cheese. The dough which I use right now is a dough with a leavening time, a direct dough with a leavening time of 34 hours. And the dough has a hydration of 65%. I put some or a very little portion of Lievito Madre into the dough. And if you have no Lievito Madre, simply leave it away. The whole recipe for this dough is in the video description, and I will have also a link in the video description how it's possible to breed your own Lievito Madre or sourdough. And now I would say we start with the pizza. As you can see, I have the dough already on my counter. And now I shape a pizza like a Neapolitan pizza is shaped, which means I press all the air, which is in the center, to the crust. The first topping I have to add is the tomato sauce. These are San Marzano tomatoes with some sea salt. Then I will add some Parmesan cheese, or in my case Grana Padano. Then it's time for the cheese. Then of course the black pepper. And some olive oil. And then it's already time for the oven. Some semolina onto the peel. Lift the dough, push the peel under, and then stretch the pizza to its final size. And then it's time for the oven. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees Celsius. And here we have the pizza out of the oven, and now it's time for some fresh basil. And again some olive oil. And our pizza Provola e Pepe is done. Yeah, and now you have an additional variation of a very delicious and very nice pizza for your pizza menu. And you can believe me, this combination of provolone, which has a bit more taste and a bit more flavor, as the normal mozzarella, and the black pepper and the basil. This is such a fantastic flavor. This fits so perfectly to each other. This is really absolutely great. I would absolutely recommend try this version as well. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!